Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Twitch drops not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. So if you are in a position where your Twitch drops might not be working, then watch this video till the end and I'll show you the methods through which you can use to solve this issue. So the first method you can try is by restarting your phone. Now to do this, just press the volume down button, then press the volume button up again, and what you need to do is long press hold the power button, and once you have done that, you'll get an option to restart your phone. Just restart it, and what you can do is try logging into Twitch app and try again, and if that works, then you're set. If that too doesn't work, then what you can do is make sure that the date and time of your phone is correct or not, or is it set to set automatically or not. Now just go ahead and tap on the settings app, then from there tap on general, and here you can see an option for the date and time. Just tap on that and toggle on the set automatically option if it is toggled off. And once you have done that, just uninstall the Twitch app and install it again, log in, and your problems will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was useful to you guys. If it was, leave a like, comment what the next video should be on. A sub to the channel will be most appreciated. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.